Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would kind of film a getting ready video. So every Thursday I do photo shoots with my good friend from my blog. And so I thought, let me film my photo shoot ready makeup for you guys. This is like an everyday makeup look, but a little bit more amped up for the camera. So it's great if you have like an event or you just want to feel extra glam one day and have your normal makeup routine just amped up a little bit. So I'll be walking you guys through my entire process, how I get ready with my makeup. My hair is still air drying from my shower. I try to do that a lot so that it's healthy and thick and luscious. So it's still kind of wet, but yeah, y'all get to see me completely transform my makeup into this. All right, guys, so first up, obviously, I'm going to go in with my new favorite foundation, this Estee Lauder Double Wear stuff. Y'all, I don't know how I lived my whole life not using it. I've been wearing it for like 2 months and it is amazing. Sometimes my skin can get kind of oily, or if I put my makeup on like in the beginning of the day, it's completely gone by like 5 o'clock. But this stuff lasts forever. Like it's hardcore 24-hour wear, but you don't feel like you are cake face. So I love this stuff a lot. A little bit goes a long way. And again, like it is the best foundation I've tried ever. So if you want it, go get some. It is worth it. Okay, and then my all-time favorite classic, this concealer, y'all, is amazing. The Tarte Shape Tape. I mean, people rave about it for a reason. I will never go back to any other concealer again. This stuff really brightens up your under eyes and just conceals everything without being too drying or too cakey. So I love this stuff. And then I just go in with a shade, like one shade lighter to kind of brighten it up, but not look like raccoon eyes. So I love this stuff. And then before I set it with translucent powder, I'm just going to spray some setting spray just to kind of keep it all in place. And then this NYX translucent powder is amazing. It's like super affordable and does a great job at just keeping everything set and not oily. All right, and eyeshadow. I love the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. Modern Renaissance is probably my favorite, but this one's a great one for summer. All the colors are like really pretty and bronzy and just really fun. So I always prep my lid with like a natural looking color, so tempera in this palette, and then I'm just going to kind of start the crease. It doesn't matter if it's perfect, like clearly mine is not perfect. I just kind of like to build that color. So I start outside and then build it kind of in. And that just really helps kind of create the shape of your eye and build that dimension. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker, more brown color and just start on the outside corner of my eye. I'm just kind of tapping it there to really get that pigmentation, and then just kind of smoking it out. Again, not perfect. This is just like an everyday summer glam look, so you don't need to be exact. And then I have my favorite blending brush, and I'm just going to bring that color from the outside corner into that crease and just blend it all out so it's really pretty and smoky. I always kind of clean it up with that light eyeshadow again to fix any mistakes, and then I just kind of keep blending. Okay, and then one of my favorite steps that if you're not doing this, try it. I get that dark color again, and with an angled brush, I'm just kind of smoking out my waterline, so the bottom lash line. That makes the biggest difference with that smoky eye look. I mean, wow, makes your eyes pop and you just look more finished. So I love doing that with my eyeshadow because it really makes a big, big difference in your makeup look. Now, a new favorite is this Tarte eyeliner. It has two different sides to it. So one is a pencil and one is more of like a liquid liner. So it's really nice, very versatile, great for two different looks. So I'm just going to kind of line my top lash line. No wing today, just really, really natural looking. And then go in for that bottom and just kind of smoke it out with the other side of the pencil. So yeah, if you're looking for a good eyeliner, get the Tarte. It's great. My sister just walked in when I was filming this, so that's who I'm looking at and talking to. But I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara. Really, any mascara is good. I'm not really picky about that. So next up, because I'm looking like a ghost, I'm going to put in some bronzer. So I love the Benefit Hoola bronzer. That stuff is great. It's not like super contour. It's just a really great natural summer glow. So again, I'm not really picky. It's kind of create that shape on the side of my face, on both sides. And then I'm going to go up into my temple and just kind of blend that out, give it a good like sun-kissed glow and make me not look like a ghost anymore. So again, I love this bronzer because if you make a mistake like I always do, it's so easy to blend out and look very natural. So I love it. It just really adds some warmth and dimension to your face. I feel like foundation kind of makes you all one color, and so adding in some life really makes a big difference. For my nose, I don't really contour it because I like my nose. I just kind of put a little bit there. Again, that like summer sun-kissed bronzy look. And then that jawline too, just kind of creating the shadow. Makes you look real great. And then for blush, I'm using California from Benefit. I love this stuff because it's kind of coral. It's really pretty for summer. And then I'm not really fancy on my eyebrows. I just use a Neutrogena like brow pencil and fill it in a little bit. Again, very natural and like real. And then I just go in with like the little brush on the other side and fluff them out, make them look good. No one's sticking up or anything. And then I use my NYX Brow Mascara. This stuff I love. It just kind of holds them in place all day without looking like you tattooed your eyebrow on your face. Okay, and then I'm going to set that with that setting spray again. Love this stuff. It just feels really good and natural. And then my favorite lipstick, y'all, so pretty. It is Charlotte Tilbury, and it is in Pillow Talk. I love it. It's very, very natural, and it is matte, but it's not drying. So if you're looking for a good lipstick, definitely try that one. And then I'm going to top it off with MAC Angel. Love this stuff. It's like a pretty pale pink, like almost like a lip gloss, but not sticky. So I love putting that on top of Pillow Talk for a really pretty, natural, everyday look. And that is going to be the end of this video. Here's a final look. If y'all like that, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!